You don't lack discipline. You've just trained yourself to avoid hard things. And every time you choose comfort, you make it worse. That's why you can't stay consistent. That's why you keep starting and stopping. You say you'll wake up early, but you snooze. You plan your day, but end up scrolling. You promise yourself this time will be different, but it never is. Discipline isn't something you're born with. It's something you build or destroy every single day. 1. You're addicted to comfort, easy choices today. Create a hard life tomorrow. 2. You rely on motivation. If you wait to feel like it, you'll never do it. Most people already know this, but they never change. That's why they stay stuck. 3. You don't control your environment. Your phone is stealing your focus, and you're letting it. 4. You set unrealistic goals. You try to change everything at once and fail. 5. You quit too early. You don't fail because it's hard. You fail because you stop. Start small. 1 habit, remove distractions. Do hard things first, every single day. You don't need a new plan. You need to stop quitting. Build discipline 1 action at a time and watch your life change. Subscribe if you're serious about fixing your life.